if a few carefully chosen words could boost your conversions by over 160%. Calls to action are crucial to master. They're that pinnacle moment of conversion when the customer either clicks through or clicks away, often never to be seen again. In this video, we'll shine a light on the key elements of a CTA, cover the poor examples, and then unpack exactly how to master the good. By the end, you'll have learned the execution and craft of CTAs and having customers acting and clicking through to drive growth. Stick around and you'll walk away with a step-by-step blueprint for crafting CTAs so irresistible that your audience will not be able to resist hitting that button. Customers sniff out bad calls to action in a flash, and once you've turned them away, it's hard to get them back. Without a clear and well-placed CTA, visitors are often left wondering what to do next, and that usually means they'll just leave without doing much at all. So it pays, literally, to have one rather than not, and one, not a few. Let's break it down and focus on these 3 areas that will teach you all you need to know to nail CTAs, to have customers clicking through. What are the 4 key elements every effective CTA should have? How can I avoid using cringy and bad CTAs? How can I create golden ticket clickable CTAs? Every great CTA has 4 winning elements, and I will show you what they are right now. Later in the video, we'll unpack each one in detail so you can sharpen your CTA skills and start getting more clicks instantly. Number 1, it's visually unmissable. A great CTA doesn't blend in, it stands out and screams for attention. Omnisend's templates are designed so that as CTA pops, whether it's using high contrast color or its placement on the page, we ensure that it can't help but be seen by customers. Second up, it's emotionally and strategically compelling. A CTA must spark emotion or urgency. It should make the reader feel like they're missing out if they don't click. Strong CTAs focus on benefits and self-interest. Win a gift sounds more enticing and benefit-driven than participate in a giveaway. Good CTAs use language that evokes feeling, urgency, or excitement. Thirdly, it's clear and direct. At its core, a call to action is a command. CTAs should use action words like download, shop, get, join, and learn that guide the user's next move clearly. This is not the time for fluff and vagueness. Fourthly, it's short. Your CTA isn't the place for details, so keep it brief. You have many other opportunities to tell your story and create a narrative. The CTA should zero in on the action without explanation. A quick, snappy CTA is far more likely to grab attention. Plus, there isn't the space for a long sentence asking your customers to click. It's a button with space for 1 to 2 words. Have you ever seen a CTA so bad it makes you cringe? Before we build the perfect one, let's tear apart the ones that missed the mark and let's laugh or cry at what not to do. Firstly, too many buttons. Have you ever seen an email that was littered with CTA buttons? Yep, chaos. Including too many CTAs in your marketing emails might seem like a smart way to boost engagement. After all, more choices mean more chances to click, right? Nope, wrong. Cramming multiple calls to action into a single email can overwhelm readers and blur your message. Instead, aim to use one clear CTA that leads readers toward the desired action with focus and intent. Click party. Plenty of emails and communication floating around in the digital world look like they're throwing a CTA party, and not in a good way. When an email or template is littered with CTAs, the customers don't know where to look, and even worse, how to act. Weak wording. We've been helping customers master the art of CTAs long enough to know that phrases like click here or submit don't inspire action and sound prehistoric. A strong CTA should be specific and benefit-driven. For example, get my free guide or start your free trial now, making the next step crystal clear and enticing. When it comes to calls to action, brevity wins. Keep it short, powerful, and to the point. You want to create urgency, not confusion. Poor placement. If readers have to hunt for your CTA, chances are they won't click it. Place it where it's easy to spot, ideally near the top, above the fold, and/or at the end of your email, and make sure it visually stands out from surrounding content. The beauty of Omnisend's templates is they let you play and place the button where it really stands out. One size fits all. Generic CTAs don't resonate. Use what you know about your audience to personalize the message, even a slight tweak, based on user behavior or interests, can boost engagement significantly. No A/B testing. If you're not testing different CTA versions, you're missing a huge opportunity. A/B testing helps you understand what wording, design, and placement actually drives results and refine your approach accordingly. Not mobile friendly. Let's face it, we've become a multitasking, scroll-on-the-go society. Most of your communication will be read on mobile, so your CTA must be easy to tap and clearly visible on smaller screens. Use large, touch-friendly buttons and ensure your email design renders well across all devices and email clients. Alright, you've seen the worst of the worst. So let's flip it. What actually makes a CTA click? We teased the key elements earlier, but now it's time to break them down, step by step, and show you how to craft CTAs that people can't resist tapping. Our data shows that during Black Friday, emails with 2 to 3 CTAs consistently perform best in terms of click rates. Go beyond that, and engagement actually starts to drop. In other words, when it comes to CTAs, less is more. Omnisend templates are actually designed to encourage single CTA use. Yep, that's how much we believe in less is more. Slick, clean, and single-mindedly does it. Keep it simple. When it comes to email CTAs, simplicity wins. Stick to short, straightforward phrases. 3 words is the optimal. Your readers should instantly know what you're asking them to do. Use strong, actionable verbs like get, shop, save, or discover to prompt immediate clicks. Another way to boost engagement, use first-person language. Speaking directly to your audience makes your message feel more personal. Instead of saying get your free template, try get my free template. It's a subtle shift that can lead to higher click-through rates. Or if you're selling sportswear, why not say run now instead of generic buy now? Fuel the FOMO. Nobody likes missing out, and your customers are no exception. A little urgency can go a long way in your CTAs. Using phrases like limited time offer, only a few left, or don't miss out taps into FOMO and nudges people to act fast. If you are running a seasonal sale or exclusive deal, then it makes sense to make it feel exclusive, special, and urgent. Try CTAs like shop holiday deals now or grab your birthday coupon to add that extra push or get it before it's gone. Test, test, test. A/B testing is a simple and effective way to figure out what works best in your emails, and Omnisend makes it easy to compare different versions. Try creating 2 emails with slightly different CTAs. You might switch up the button color, the wording, where it's placed, or how it looks. Once both versions go out, you can compare the click-through rates to see which one performs better. You can send the winning version yourself or let Omnisend automatically send the one that gets more clicks. It's also a good idea to experiment with less traditional CTAs. Something like, yes, I want to save money, can sometimes work better than the usual shop now. Testing regularly helps you see what your audience responds to. So there you have it, you're now the proud owner of the CTA expertise. You'll be able to craft and use attention-grabbing, action-igniting CTAs that tell your customers exactly what to do and move them to act. If you've learned something and want to check out more, don't miss out on this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Nice to hang out, catch you soon.